Hello everyone, this is Dahlia at your service, and today we will cook one pot rice and chicken. For this recipe we need 1/2 chicken, and for the marinade we need salt, ginger juice, and spring onion. So this is how I extract my ginger juice using a grater. And that's it, you have a ginger juice. In a Ziploc bag, let's put our chicken in. Then the ginger juice, rub it all over the chicken. Don't miss any parts. Just rub it. I like massaging the chicken while I marinate it. Just give it a little massage. And repeat it with the salt. Just don't miss any parts. Next is the spring onion. Spread it to the chicken under the wing and in between the thigh. Flip it and repeat the process. Press out all the air before sealing the Ziploc bag, but before this process, make sure to wash your hands with soap so we can avoid spreading salmonella in our kitchen. I like using Ziploc for marination because I can airtight it and all the ingredients will be all in the chicken. After this process, we need to put it in the fridge for 24 hours for better result. Alright, this is our marinated chicken after overnight in the fridge. Make sure to take it out of the fridge at least 2 hours before cooking. You want it room temperature to achieve a clear and tender meat. While we are waiting for the chicken, let's process the mushroom. In a boiling water, put the 2 dried washed mushroom inside and cover it and turn off the fire and soak it for at least 10 minutes. Alright, let's assemble our chicken and mushroom on the rice. So I use 2 cups of rice for this recipe. And let the rice cooker do its job. At this point, you can prepare whatever vegetable you want to go with your rice and chicken. I want choysam. Alright, looks like the rice cooker is done. Look at that yummy, delicious goodness. Now let's take out the chicken and stir the rice. I love the brown part of the rice in the bottom, so let's cover it again to soften it. While resting the chicken, let's stir fry our choysam. I love stir frying vegetable with garlic in a hot smoking wok. Put some salt and sugar. So let's start cutting our chicken. I love using scissors when cutting chicken, and I start from the small part to the big ones. I also like cutting it on the plate so all the juice will stay in the plate. Oh, look at that, juicy, delicious. Mmm, yum, yum, yum. Plate it nicely and wipe the side of the plate. I believe we're done here. And of course, I gonna pick the thigh. That's my favorite. The rice is so flavorful. The chicken is tender and juicy. And choysam and mushroom and everything in that bowl is so yummy. So this is such a very easy recipe, you guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And this is Dahlia at your service, signing out.